Hey guys, welcome to Helton's Computer Repair. Now, this is going to be a little different than the past couple of videos that we've been doing, but I really wanted to show y'all some of my favorite Google Easter eggs, so to say, because Grand Theft Auto, believe it or not, is not the only place that's notorious for hidden Easter eggs and not glitches, but just Easter eggs, pranks, a bunch of funny and unusual stuff that you can find on the web. Now, I'm using the list from this website called digitaltrends.com. I was reading this earlier this weekend, and I thought this was actually pretty interesting, so I wanted to make a video about it. And a lot of these are actually my favorite Easter eggs and pranks and stuff, too. And you can also show these off to a bunch of your friends. I'll probably put the link in the description below, so that way, if you guys want to go back, like say I'm going too fast or something and you can't pause the video in time, you could just view the list right then and there, because I'm going to be going through all, if not maybe most of the stuff that's on here. And basically, we'll just go ahead and get started. So, what you have to do is, you need to go to the Google homepage. This is going to work in Chrome and, believe it or not, Firefox as well. But, unfortunately, it will not work on Internet Explorer, because Internet Explorer is not a good browser. Sorry, Internet Explorer fans, I don't like this browser at all. I prefer Chrome or Firefox, but that's just me. But enough of my preferences and stuff, let's just go ahead and get started. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the search engine itself. If you type in the words askew, which is S-K-E-W, or tilt, your search results are actually going to be tilted on the side. This will also do the same thing if you just type in the regular word tilt. Simple. Well, actually I misspelled it, but yeah, you know what you mean. And another cool thing that I found out is this thing called a bacon number. If any of y'all are Kevin Bacon fans, I'm pretty sure you guys know that this guy comes out in a lot of movies in Hollywood. So if you type in any actor's name, somehow they could be traced back to him. So for example, let's type in Adam Sandler. You can type in whatever actor you want, but right after that, put a space and type in bacon number. And here, Adam Sandler's bacon number is 2 because Adam Sandler and Jennifer Aniston appeared in Just Go With It. Jennifer Aniston and Kevin Bacon appeared in Picture Perfect. And you could literally search up anybody. I'm going to search up Jonathan Davis, which was the singer for the band Korn. And even then, he has a bacon number 2 because he came out and Seeing Other People, and Jay Moore and Kevin Bacon appeared in Picture Perfect. And actually, if you want to know something even crazier, check this out. Bill Gates. Even he has a bacon number. Bill Gates and William Shatner appeared in How William Shatner Changed the World. William Shatner and Sarah Jessica Parker appeared in Escape from Planet Earth. And she and Kevin Bacon appeared in Footloose. Very crazy, very unusual. I thought this was actually really cool. I had never even heard about this before, so I thought that was pretty funny. Blink search. If you type in Blink HTML, the results are actually gonna blink at you, because see where it says HTML blink right here? It's actually flashing. It's pretty crazy. And this is pretty cool. If you type in Atari Breakout, which is a very popular game, you have to go to the images for this one, and you'll be able to play a game. Now I'm gonna stop talking for just a little bit because it's gonna play some sound and everything. So just bear with me on this one. You could use the mouse to move around and all that other good stuff, but the controls are going to be pretty simple. You guys have played this game. You had to have played this game. So let's go ahead and go to the images. Give it some time. Whoop, there we go. Yeah. This is nostalgic right here. I used to play this game a lot when I was a kid. Okay, well, this is getting pretty boring already. Anyways, so the next Easter egg that we're going to talk about is, believe it or not, one of the famous ones. If you type in the answer to life, the universe, and everything, the answer is 42, which is actually a reference to the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Apparently somebody that works at Google is a real fan of this thing, so that's pretty awesome. And if you actually type in the loneliest number, it does the same thing. The loneliest number is 1. You could also do the same thing if you search up how many horns does a unicorn have. The next thing that I just found out today, believe it or not, If you type in Google in 1998, you'll actually get this old school looking 1998 Google search thing, whatever you want to call it. I just thought that it looks pretty cool. It really does look like I'm stepping back in 1998 here. All right, and this one isn't really that special. But if you type in recursion, which is you know, for those who don't know, recursion is the process of repeating things in a pattern. So if you search this, it's gonna say, "Did you mean recursion?" And if you just keep clicking on it, it's gonna send you back to the same thing regardless. So that's pretty funny. And you know, if you guys have ever heard of the phrase "once in a blue moon," you could actually search that up too. And well, actually, you have to search up "once in a blue moon," and it's actually 1.166999016 times 10 to the negative 8 hertz. Yeah, pretty crazy. And another cool thing you could do is language changes. So, example, if we type in Google, let's say Elmer Fudd. Here's the very first. Click on the very first link, and it says Elmer Fudd. Google search. I'm feeling lucky. That's really funny. Elmer Fudd was always one of my favorite Looney Tunes characters, and I'm pretty sure he was one of yours too. Another Easter egg that we could look up here is actually some other crazy stuff. We could look up. Let's see here. Actually, believe it or not, now we're gonna go to YouTube, because since YouTube was bought off by Google in, I think, 2006, that means that YouTube is chock full of these little Easter eggs and stuff as well. So, youtube.com. Type that in the search engine. Not gonna baby y'all because I'm pretty sure you guys know how to use the search engine. So if you type in I don't even know how to say this to tell you the truth, the dog or the Doge meme, whatever you want to call them, it changes everything on YouTube to this cute little colorful Comic Sans type font, just like the regular meme is as well. It's pretty funny. And you know, let's just go ahead and reload YouTube again so that way it'll go back to normal. If you type in, I believe it is Beam Me Up, Scotty, for any of y'all that are Star Trek fans, the video results are going to load up like this. And it actually looks like the little beam that they use in the Star Trek show. So your video results, unfortunately, are going to load a little bit longer because of this, but hey, to tell you the truth, it's worth it. So let's see what else we could do on YouTube. One of the coolest things that we could do is, if you guys remember the Harlem Shake from, I think it was like 2013 or early 2014, majority of us have forgotten it about now, but YouTube has not. So if you type in "do the Harlem Shake" on YouTube, it'll actually do it. So check this out. The YouTube is dancing up a little bit. Music's playing. Sounds really cool. Ah, ah. To the Harlem Shake. And everything just starts going crazy right after that. Upload, sign in, all the video results. So yeah, that's something right there. I love how YouTube just I love how Google and YouTube just love to troll us with this kind of stuff. And even then, every April Fool's Day, they always have a bunch of crazy little pranks. Like, I know this past year they did the Pokemon thing where you would go to Google Maps and you would see all these little pictures, like these little sprites of all the different Pokemon out there, and you had to capture them, and it was pretty cool. And I think some people actually won either like a medal or some type of, like, they got like some type of prize. I don't know if it was like a medal or an actual badge or something, and you got like an actual letter. I believe it was like a physical letter from YouTube themselves saying, "Hey, you're a Pokemon master." So for all you Pokemon fans that actually got that, congratulations, because I wasn't one of them, unfortunately. But the last thing that I want to show y'all on Google.com before I go, I don't think I got to do this. If I did, then I'll just cut this part out of the video. But if you go to Google and you type in do a barrel roll, like for any of y'all that were fans of Star Fox, it'll actually spin around and do a complete like 360-degree turn. So I thought that was pretty awesome. So like I said, I'm going to provide the link in the description if you guys want to view all of these Easter eggs, because I didn't get to go through all of them because some of them are on Google Maps, but I'll probably do a follow-up in another video because there's a lot of Google Maps stuff that you could actually do and a lot of funny stuff that you could see on there also. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of Chrome, and you could also exit out of Firefox if you want to do these things on Firefox. Most, if not all of them, could be replicated on Firefox also. Internet Explorer, it's horrible. Don't even use it. I don't even know why I still have this thing installed, to tell you the truth. But like I said, that's just me. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and check out Helton's Computer Repair, and go ahead and subscribe to us. It would mean a lot to us because we love each and every one of our fans. And I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.